We've been telling you it's going to be a rainy week ahead. When's the next round of rain on the way? Big question here tonight.
That is one question. Another one is, when is it going to be dry?
Yeah, I think that's the bigger question, right? When can we plan to have some dry time around here? We are trending drier, I'd say Friday, Sunday, and Monday. In between those days, it's going to be pretty messy, especially tomorrow and Thursday. Taking a live look right now, of course, skies are dry. We're enjoying some dry time after the rainy start to the day. It is breezier today as well, as we're seeing from our Midway University U of L health camera. Temperatures are much warmer today. We're in the 60s and 70s, so much warmer compared to the 30s and 40s that we had on the map yesterday afternoon. As we've been mentioning, rounds of rain expected this week. Rain will be heavy at times, so we'll have to keep an eye out for any kind of localized flooding concerns. Drier days, as I just mentioned, Friday, Sunday, and now Monday, trending a bit drier. Not completely zero just yet, but we'll keep an eye on those trends for you. Wednesday and Thursday, though, still 70, maybe even 80% chance, depending on where you live. The farther south you do live throughout Kentuckiana, the lower rainfall amounts look to be. But if you're around the 64 corridor and into southern Indiana as well, that's where we're looking at a greater coverage of showers and thunderstorms Wednesday and Thursday. Friday trending a bit drier and very warm with highs approaching 80 degrees. Saturday trending stormy, and then Sunday and Monday looking a little bit drier as well. But in general, our pattern stays active and stays warmer than average through about the middle part of next week. Lower 70s in Louisville Wednesday and Thursday, upper 70s near 80 degrees on Friday. Our daily record high Friday is 78. So we are looking to break that. We stay in the 70s Saturday, and then as that boundary sinks down to the south, we could fall back into the 60s on Sunday, still well above our average high of 53 for this time of year. As we mentioned, we've had a warm front that has lifted and become somewhat stationary off to our north this evening, and that's keeping this corridor much rainier than here in Kentuckiana. That's why a lot of us are enjoying some drier time this afternoon, even some peaks of sunshine here or there with these temperatures well into the 60s. And as we head into tonight, all of this rain that's off to our north will gradually push down to the south, making for a soggy morning commute tomorrow. Expect pockets of heavy rainfall. We can see some ponding on the roadways as well. We'll try to get some dry time tomorrow afternoon, and if we're able, we could have a few stronger storms by the evening that we're paying attention to before we do this all again on Thursday. So we do have a level 1 out of 5 for stronger storms tomorrow afternoon and evening. Hail would be the primary threat, maybe some gusty winds as well. It all hinges on whether or not we're able to destabilize after the morning rain. I think heavy rainfall is still our greatest threat through the 7-day forecast, looking at anywhere between 2 to 5 inches of rainfall throughout our area. So expect a warmer than average period and a rainier period as well, with highs in the 60s and 70s through the entire 7-day forecast. Connie.
Thank you, Mallory.